Bless the Lord, everybody. How do you react to the storm? This is a season where we're seeing many mighty hurricanes. Strong, devastating, taking lives, plummeting islands, and basically destroying the life that we're used to. But how do you react to your storm? How do you react when you see a hurricane coming? Do you shake, quiver, worry, panic? Or do you rest on the God of hurricanes? Do you rest on the God of the flood? Do you rest on the God who is way bigger, far bigger and superior than floods and hurricanes and all the natural disasters that will come? Think about that. God is great. He's bigger than everything, right? If you're a child of God, have faith. I've heard testimonies from people already. Every house beside them were affected. Their neighbors suffered, some sort of damage during the storm, but they, minimal damage or even nothing at all. That is the benefit of being a child of God. When a tornado is swirling around you, when thunderstorms are around you, He can save you. He can allow for you to weather the storm. So I encourage you, be of good courage, have faith, rest in Him, and believe that He can do far more for you, exceedingly abundantly than you can ever hope or imagine. God is the God of your storm. He is bigger than any hurricane. So may Jehovah keep you. Be blessed in Jesus' name. Keep up the faith.